Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today I am going to show you how to husk corn. I imagine you've probably tried it before, but I'm going to show you how I husk corn, which I think is pretty easy. So all you need is fresh corn on the cob, and I'm going to take the corn over to the sink. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and take away these tough outer leaves that are kind of loose and discard them. Next, go ahead and grab at least half of the silky tassel on top and the green leaves, and go ahead and pull down. And you can pull these off and discard them. And then go ahead and do that for the rest. I kind of grab the silk along with it. Okay, go ahead and pull down. And then take any extra greens off. A couple tips on preparing corn. Don't wash your corn right before you refrigerate it. You want to clean it right before you cook it because water will encourage the corn to spoil. So when you buy fresh corn, store it in the refrigerator. It will keep fresh longer and preserve the nutrients. Okay, and then next we're going to go ahead and get off the rest of the little silk. To get off any remaining silk, go ahead and grab a soft brush like a vegetable brush, and we're going to go ahead and gently scrub the corn with the brush under running water. Another option to get off the rest of the silk is to grab a damp paper towel and just wipe. And it comes off pretty easily. And there we go. So that was pretty easy. Your corn is all husked and ready to cook. I have several lessons on how to cook corn on the cob, so I will see you in one of those lessons.